back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with Sierra, my younger sister. Sunday is Easter. We decided we're gonna make some really cute pastel tie-dye outfits. We got some sweatpants and sweatshirts from Amazon. We also got some tie-dye. I'll leave everything down below so you guys can also do this. I watched this one girl, forgot her name. Her video will be linked down below because that's where I got all the supplies from. I made these tie-dye pants in December, I think it was. And I don't love how they turned out, but also like I get compliments on them all the time. So we're doing exactly what I did with these, except we're doing it a little more like professional. We have more like supplies.
To make the dye like the perfect color, I used salt dish soap and then kept on putting different amounts of the RIT dye to make the right saturation.
Okay, I could not put this glove on. You're gonna crinkle them up. And then, once you do that, you take a rubber band.
I already know this is gonna fail.
No, it's not. You can't say that.
Well, mine are gonna fail because they literally look like that. I don't think I did that right.
Seriously, it's fine. They're not supposed to look any type of way. Just literally look.
If you're worried about doing this, don't worry, I suck, so if mine work out, then yours will. So there's our bags. We put them in bags, in a bag.
Hey guys, so it's the next day and it's been almost 24 hours and we're just going to rinse them out with some warm water and then set them on a towel and then put them in the washer and see the final product. They're gonna look so good. This is so cool.
What did you do different? You told me to do this.
Hang on, Sierra, calm down. See, look, parts of mine are white too.
No, but why is the whole thing like white?
No, it looks fine. I love your positivity, Sierra.
Well, yours worked out, so stop.
Sierra has a very negative attitude right now.
Because I ruined my sweatpants.
I like mine.
Like, that has like nothing on it.
Something about Sierra, she doesn't have much patience.
I like to get things done.
So we'll do a load of that, and then a load of that. Look how pretty they turned out though. I'm so excited to try them on. Okay, so before the big reveal, I think they're really, Sierra, why the would you do that? Just why? So can you hear me now? Hey guys, so we finished washing them and drying them, and we're gonna show you the final product now. I know, I have like a pimple right there. We look bad, but it's okay.
Okay, my pants are too tight.
Sierra, I think they're so cute. Wait, go like this.
But they're like
just for a thumbnail. Sierra's a hole in the back of hers. But yeah, this is the final product. I think they turned out really good. I think the back of mine looks better.
We're probably gonna we're gonna probably order like different white ones so they fit us right, and then do it again. And I think we might tonight fix.
Yeah. Oh, and we have some more things. So we have these horrible socks.
Ugly. I'm gonna fix them.
They're so ugly. They're just
I'll take them off and show you guys.
Yes, they're ugly. This is what the t-shirt looks like. No, I'm just kidding. But that's what I thought. Okay.
I really ruined
Sierra
them.
just like didn't cover any of this part
because I scrunched them up and they didn't.
She scrunched them up, but she scrunched this part all to like the middle, so like she never got that part.
So basically,
and, like, only did this part.
Like that's like the only part that got done. So all of this is just like not done, and so I need to redo that.
I think the sweaters turned out the best, like the sweaters and sweatpants. So yeah, DIY tie-dye sweatsuits for basically kind of cheap. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys. Please comment below if you want to do this and if you think they're cute. Comment down below which outfit you like the best and who did better. Who did better in this challenge. But yeah, love you guys and we'll see you in the next video.
A lot better.
Bye.
I don't know.
I think it's all angels just walk by. Yeah, 'cause aside from my soul.